Welcome to the Bernard Database Solutions May 5th, 2016 Major Release Webinar. This system release includes 32 new features and enhancements, including our new Major Donors module in MyBernard, major donor updates throughout the solution, updates to our partners, queries, vendors, reports, and rapid entry modules, and a new mobile web app for accessing your MyBernard data from mobile devices. Let's begin with updates to the Partners module. Creating notes and follow-ups within the Partners module has been simplified to make it easier to record specific partner notes within your database. And you can also now upload attachments to your contact notes within the Partners module. Within MyBernard and Rapid Entry, the Do Not Merge Partner flag now has stricter parameters. Meaning that a partner record with this flag cannot simply be merged with another, and an approval will be required to perform this action going forward. Now, when adding or removing product items within the invoice screen or under Activity, Orders, you will be prompted to select if your action should affect existing inventory, as in this example. In your Partners Activity menu, you can now view your partner's soft credits, which are not yet received, with the Pending Workplace Matches link. Within Contact Queries, you can now build queries and polls based on email campaign activity with the Email Statistics category. For example, you can build a query to identify a group of contacts who clicked a specific link or opened a specific email. Also, within Contact Queries, with the new Household Giving category, you can search and return contact data, which incorporates the entire partner's household. A final update in Contact Queries, the newly added Nightly Calculated Fields category, combines query fields which are calculated nightly, resulting in quicker query returns for fields which are not updated in real time. Within your Appeals document library, you can now upload files with the following file extensions: .msg, .wav, .mp3, and .wma. In the Events module, you can now set sponsorship level capacities. And, as sponsors are assigned, MyBernard now tracks filled and available sponsorships. Your vendors are now expanded into the Inventory module, so that you are now required to select or add a vendor when adding assets. and new vendors can now be added from the inventory module by users with the appropriate rights. With the new Major Donors module, you can now more closely keep track of your major donors and their ongoing activity with MyBernard, allowing you to better facilitate your activities with this important donor base. Now, major gift officers can assign monthly and yearly goals. Better allowing a gift officer to track their major donor's progress. Quickly returning to the partner screen, we can see that every transaction from a major donor is now also tied to a specific major gift officer. Permitting clear tracking of the revenue being brought in by each major gift officer at your organization. Primary officers are given credit by default, with this setting being editable as needed by an administrator. Returning to the Major Donors module, if Wealth Engine integration has been enabled in your MyBernard database, you can now access and view this information within the MyBernard platform. A major donor profile page is now available within the Major Donor Assignment section. This profile page facilitates the management of major donor information from one single page, as you can view notes, follow-ups, inbound activity, pledges, bequests, and annuities from this single page. A new Touchpoints graph is also available for major donors. This graph option visualizes major donor actions, such as transactions, solicitations, follow-ups, and more. And you can drill down from each data point in the graph to get more details. The new Follow-up tab in the Major Donors module allows a major gift officer to view and manage his or her historical and upcoming follow-ups. System administrators can also view this information. Moving over quickly to the Administration tab, we can see that Bernard administrators can now set up default values to be populated when a major gift officer creates a generic response for their major donors. Returning to the Major Donors module, now, when multiple major gift officers are assigned to a major donor, a primary major gift officer for each donor can be defined. Returning to the Administration module, within the Major Gift custom fields, a major donor stage is now the default. This stage allows you to customize your database's pick list of available stages. Returning to the Major Donors module, in this new Manage Major Donors page, your major donor pool can be classified into a hierarchy of statuses, allowing you to more finely tune your major donor classifications for your major gift program. All major donors can be searched and reviewed within this page. A visual indicator is now also available when viewing a major gift officer's goal. allowing for a quick review of major gift officers' progress. Finally, within the Major Donors module, users can now search by miles from a specific point. Within the Data Center module, using Bernard's new name import, you can now specify an origin source code and a POID per transaction. Within the Administration module, database administrators can now create, edit, and manage follow-up methods and results. These can also be assigned and restricted to specific user roles. Additionally, administrators can now set their organization's fiscal start month, with this setting being applied universally throughout the database. Within Rapid Entry, when recording transactions, hovering over each available pledge now provides details about the specific pledge, allowing for a more informed selection of pledges during data entry. When accessing MyBernard from a mobile device, you are now prompted to a mobile website, designed for ease of navigation on mobile devices. You can choose to view the desktop version from your mobile device as well. Our first version of the MyBernard mobile site focuses on providing ease of use for major gift officers, allowing them to easily review and search their major donors' information on the go. When reviewing major donors from the mobile website, major gift officers can easily review contact information, giving data, donor touchpoints, and Wealth Engine data. Notes and follow-ups can be created from the mobile website as well. Within Web API, when searching inventory by SKU, your MyBernard database now returns the available quantity per SKU. This concludes our summary of system enhancements and updates for the May 5th, 2016 release of the MyBernard database platform. With the new upgrades and enhancements to the solution, you can more easily track your partner notes and data, and more easily customize your reports and queries. With our new Major Donors module and mobile web application, major gift officers are empowered to keep track of their goals and to more easily facilitate their activities with major donors, who are critical to your fundraising success. If you have any questions about this release or any of the updates we discussed during this session, please don't hesitate to contact support@bernardsolutions.com for assistance. Thank you and have a great day.